Here's a beautiful convertible, 1968 Chevelle Malibu convertible with a 396 underneath the hood, paired with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, also very nicely equipped. This particular vehicle was restored a little over 7 years ago. So as you can see, the paint shows very nice yet. Nice luster to the paint. See the reflections of the lights in the ceiling. Has approximately 5,000 miles on it, like I said, so restored a little over 7 years ago, about 5,000 miles in the 396. So paint and engine, very fresh. Seats have been recovered. So these are in nice shape. Door cards show their age a little bit. The guy wanted to freshen it up. You could sure pop new door cards in there. Carpet's nice. Dash is nice, as you can see. Bench seat, shifter on the column. It is a turbo 400 paired with that 396. So a little beefier transmission. As you can see, the parade boot or convertible top cover, very nice shape. You can check out the still pictures. It has a white top to it. White top is also in nice shape. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you have any questions, you can also give us a call. Number would be 507-386-1726. As you can see, it's riding on American Racing, polished with aluminum wheels. Rubber's decent on the car. See, it's a nice straight car too. It's look up and down the sides of it. See, it's also got a nice finish to it, and the way the doors fit and everything. I'm going to go ahead and fire this up and get you a little closer look at the interior. Like I said, you can check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's go ahead and fire this up in a second. Let's see. It starts easily. There's also a cold start, so we'll see if I can get her to idle nicely here without having to warm up a whole lot, being we're indoors. Want to slip around to the back so you hear how these Flowmaster sound. This engine was estimated to put out somewhere around 500 horse at the crank, so it's built pretty good. That's why you can hear the cam and take a little bit for it to idle and warm up. Slip around so you hear this idle. Nice sounding 396 underneath the hood. You can actually feel it standing behind it. So give us a call, 507-386-1726. Or like I said, check out the still pics at uniqueclassiccars.com. 68 Chevelle Malibu, 396 in it. Power convertible top, power steering, power brakes. Very nice car.